Hi Josh, this is Jugesh. We have read your book and I messaged you about it. First of all the best, and I'm sure your product launch is going to be amazing. All of us just completed Living a Book, which is Connect, authored by you. And all of us want to share the experience and gratitude, a big gratitude, and thank you for writing this book. The amazing takeaway for me has been that connect with the individual before even I ask anything. That connect is really important. That's my key takeaway from the book. Shankar, what do you have to say about this book?
Hi, Josh. We missed you here today, but hopefully we'll see you later. But a fantastic book. Thank you so much for writing this book. It's an easy read. It's got a very good flow, and the importance of relationship building was so well explained. Caveman philosophy. I actually spent a lot of time on the 7 steps, and particularly on the sixth step, which talks about how do you build trust as a leader. I think that's where we actually, as a group, had a very nice, deeper discussion, because I think that's the crux of the book. So, thanks a lot, Josh, and thank you for writing this book. And you're touching lives of us here in India, as you can see. I'll pass it on to Dinesh. What did you think about the book, Dinesh?
Thanks, Shankar. Hi, Josh. It was a pleasure reading your book. We coming from a era wherein LinkedIn is kind of being used so extensively, and you throwing light onto how it has become popular and how everybody is utilizing it to their benefit, and we being ignorant about it and not being able to utilize it to the fullest. This was something which I could find as a key takeaway. Uh, Excellent presentation of the case studies and also the specifics that we need to dwell into, and also right from the philosophy and on the psychology aspect of why we should really do it in the style that you have presented. It's something which is more on the LinkedIn, but also one can adapt into his regular way of life as well. Something can become as a natural way. So thanks Josh, and looking forward to being able to see you and be able to talk to you in our next session whenever we are able to. Thank you. And I would like to really get the views from Sahil. What do you feel, Sahil? What's your learnings? Thank you.
Thank you, Dinesh. Hi, Josh. Really, it's a wonderful read, your book Connect, and we are really missing you and looking forward to hearing from you about what actually gave you the kind of insights, and how did you come up with the concept of such a wonderful book. First thing first, it's like everybody has said that it's a very very easy read, and it's such a wonderful book that it actually keeps you hooked onto it. So it's like when I was reading, I was just trying to connect one dot with the other, and it was so logically well placed and so lucid that it was kind of coming right from the conceptual standpoint. Now, the main point which actually kind of has hooked me uh, on LinkedIn as a network is that when we have to share content, it should have a lot of value, and probably that has kind of honed into my conscience. And my perspective is that I am going to from right now start sharing content which actually has a lot of value. So kind of looking forward to meeting you very, very soon and wish you all the best on the success for Connect. Uh, so look forward to meeting you. Milan, I would want to know your thoughts. Like, what did you find engaging about Connect? Thank you.
Thanks, Sahil. Hi, Josh. Uh, it's an amazing book. Actually, it just explains as to how this LinkedIn has to be used. Although I am not a sales marketing guy, so I will be using it more. So my perspective has always been like, how do I establish myself as a personal brand? And from that perspective, I have been reading this book and a lot of things where the biggest piece, as Shankar has highlighted, was building the trust and making your content available, and not like piercing through the people. I mean, not being behind them continuously and giving the good, valuable content. That's the biggest piece which I found, which is very encouraging, and using this platform for this purpose. So amazing book. Thank you so much. Yeah, Nirmal, what do you think about the book? Nirmal, you are on mute.
Thank you, Milin. Hi, Josh. This book was actually very interesting. The book itself is a technological artifact because it is very easy to read, and the concepts are very explained in easy language. So what I understood, like content is the king, and we can connect with the people with our contents, our thought leadership, and how the value we are giving to people. The LinkedIn means the power of LinkedIn. Actually, I got through this book. At present, whatever I'm using, that is just few percent, but through this book, actually, I could understand what is the actual power of LinkedIn. So thanks for this amazing book. And I would say hand over to Sandeep sir.
Hi, Josh. It's an amazing book, and for thanks for this amazing book. My biggest takeaway from this book is connect itself, and I'm learning to connect with my external customers as well as my internal customers. Thank you. Hi, Nilesh. What are your thoughts on this book?
Yeah, thanks, Sandeep. Thank you, Josh. Actually, Connect has changed my point of view right now. Previously, I was using LinkedIn as only for the professional networking, but it has changed my thoughts now. How we can use. You have very well explained the case studies. You have very well explained the tools also. So really, it is very helpful for us, and how to use LinkedIn now, that actually I understand. So thank you once again. I will hand over it to Vipul.
Thanks, Nilesh. And hi, Josh. Your book Connect is a wonderful read, and the key takeaway from that book was that you don't have to be actually a salesperson to read that book and get a takeaway. But anybody anybody who wants to make his brand value to be felt in LinkedIn, your book is an amazing read for them. I would pass it on to Advait. And what are your views on this book?
Thank you, Vipul. Hi, Josh. How are you? Thanks a lot for an extraordinary book you have gifted to us. It's really a gift because till now, the LinkedIn profile, whatever I was handling, it was just like keeping my resume posted and waiting for connections to flow in automatically by themselves, and then accepting the connections and searching for the jobs and merely waiting for some good news, for some great change in my career and everything. So, like, and I was believing that this is the only use of LinkedIn. And to my surprise, when I went through your book, oh God, it completely changed my perspective towards it. Like, I got to know how to build a network, how to post the contents, how to do the networking, how to meet people, how to build your brand. Awesome. What a crisp language. The way it is presented, fabulous, man. It would be great pleasure to see you. I would definitely love to meet you one day. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Now I will ask Devashish, what are your views about this book?
Thank you, Adar. Hi, Josh. First of all, congratulations. Nice topic, nice flow of information and the structure. Just my view on it, how to connect. I'm a finance guy. I connect with numbers, but from this book, I come to know that, not only the numbers, I have to connect with the, human beings. That is important. And also also the content, which is one of the key important thing. And also it influenced me because I also started writing my content in the LinkedIn. And the best thing, on this, the flow and the structure, which helped me because I'm not a avid reader, but that book helped me a lot because of the structure and the flow of information. And thank you once again, and look forward to you have more, in our session and to have more books from you. Thank you once again. Take care.
Thank you. Thanks to all of you for sharing your views, and I'm sure, Josh, you found this message and it has kind of made your day, because from the bottom of our heart, we wish you success and we wish you keep writing such insightful book, which kind of touches upon to hundreds and thousands of people across the globe. Take care.